there was one other thing that I wanted to do before we go to the next call. I want to ask Trey a little bit about classic insurance. There's a lot of our listeners have classic cars, and they are very interested on how they should insure their vehicle.
Yeah, just real quick. There is a difference between classic or vintage car insurance and standard car insurance. If you have an older car, at least 10 years, but with some sort of historical significance, rarity, but it can be discussed with your carrier and your agent to determine whether it qualifies as a vintage car. You could actually get a serious discount on classic or vintage insurance. It tends to be a lot cheaper. If you're insuring that as a regular car, then you're probably spending a little more money than you need to because you're not going to be driving it as much.
Many times it's on a trailer.
Many times. And you're probably going to, if you are driving it, if you're taking it to shows, you're either hauling it or you're driving it and displaying it. Unlike most cars you buy new that depreciate in value the minute you drive them off the lot and they continue to depreciate, your car may be going up in value. So you're going to want to discuss those factors with an agent or a broker. Just something to consider. I know you've got a lot of people listening that probably have collectible cars. They don't need to be paying a regular. There are specialized markets for that. Haggerty's actually a very good one. American Modern, there's several. It's worth giving an agent a call, a local agent a call to.
Yeah, I went through that when we insured the DeLorean.